this video, I will quickly be showing you how to use the add and hide button in Tableau. So I have my data source already connected, the travel details from a different data source and this as well from another data source. But yeah, I have two visualizations plotted in different sheets. This one is a bar chart and have my heat map. So now I want to plot a dashboard, not a sheet. Can actually delete this. This is a high config dashboard. I'm going to create a dashboard and I want to bring this to visualization sheet 1 here and sheet 2 in the same space. So let me just put a blank underneath here, but I want this space to display the same thing, or rather I can actually put this visualization in this container and see what it brings for us. Let me delete this blank. Yeah, entire view, so it covers the whole area. So now I have my visualizations here and I just want to hide, and if I click a button, I want this visualization to be hidden and this also to be hidden, and show vice versa. Now this is my first visualization. I'm going to click here and you will look at the several options. You will see add show or hide button. Click on it. It gives you a button which is already in floating format. You can see. Now we're going to click edit button. Now this edit button tells us what to do with that particular button. So let me explain what this is. You can actually put it in text or image. This is the name of the visualization or the sheet you want to hide with that button. So either is in text if you want to put text, if you want to say show hide button, or click to show or hide, click to show or hide. This is the text that will be displayed on the button. Now we have two options here. Button appearance, it says. So item shown, when the visualization is shown, what do you want displayed on it? So I want to say click to hide button. So that will be the appropriate text to put in there. Click to hide. Okay, so when the visualization is shown, I want that button to display this text, click to hide. Now, do you want to add border? Do you want to put a color on the button? If you want to do some formatting to the font, size 12, you want to put it is bold, italics, or underline. Let's just choose everything. Let's just choose probably black. So now all others can remain the same. Tooltip is just to say when you click per adventure, this is just where you put your mouse. When you click, it hides the visualization. Okay, so now hidden. So when the visualization is hidden, what text do you want it to be displayed? Click to show. That's what I want it to display. And the same thing goes. Do you want a different color? Let's choose green, bold, italics, underline, or rather nothing. And do you want a border? Yeah, let's try border this time around. So when you click, this will be the tooltip. When you click this button, it hides. Oh, it shows, because right this time around the visualization is hidden, but when it's show now, it shows the visualization. Cool. So let's see what we have here. Now I need to expand this so show what our text entails. You can see what we have here. So when we launch this, when we actually click it, so click to hide is referring to this visualization. When I click, it disappears. And I can say click to show. When I click it, it shows. So that's for that visualization. Now for this one, I'm going to use the image version. So again, you go back to the hide, show hide button. You can drag in here or whatever location you want it to be. Now we're going to explore the image part of it. So it's hiding sheet 2. Apparently, I think, can we select? No, we can't select any other one. We need to explore that option as well. So it's hiding sheet 2, not sheet 1. Now, when the item is hidden, the same thing, but we're going to use image. It's going to give us an option to choose an image. Now I will have my checkbox. Let's look at what we have in here. When the item is shown, what text box you want is to display. Let's show this because the item is already shown, so we want the checkbox to be ticked. Now, we don't need to put any text. You can see there is no option to put it hide to text. It's quite straightforward. And let's just put the colors we want in here. Border, whatever. Border, how big you want your border to be. And the colors. Now, when the item is hidden, let's choose our image again. We want the checkbox to be empty. So the customer or the user or the stakeholder of this dashboard can actually be triggered. So click on that button and it shows. And let's choose our color as well. Yep. Let's see what it's showing us. This is not necessarily, you don't need to necessarily expand it because it's just a tick and hide button. Now, the item is shown. We have the icon here. When we say unselect, it goes away. When we select, it goes down. So this can actually be used as a checkbox option to create a checklist for our customers or to the stakeholder or the user. So that's how to use the hide and hide button in Tableau. Thanks for watching.